what's up? We are out shopping today. But mellow. Cutie pie. Hey, what's up? We're going shopping for food so we can cook today. He like, I'm just looking around. I'm just looking around. Oh wait. Oh, you bought her. Thank you. I thought I didn't bring the wallet. All right, so
Yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, 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 up. We go, we go, we go, we go, we up, 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 up. We go, we go, we go, we go, we go, we go, we. It's the 5th of love. Hey, 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 it's the 5th of love. Hey, 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 have yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
what's up? So, I want to start making these. No, you can boil them and mash them. Yeah, I'm gonna start making these. And do you guys want me to record that when I start making these? Because they have the instruction literally on there. It's just water and what it is. So we're gonna give him this before he gets upset today. I think we're gonna do the green beans. But yeah, we decided to buy a couple. I'm gonna go ahead and make these, guys, because I'm not gonna buy these every day. These cost like almost $4. Oh, so we have 2 carrots, 2 green beans, and 2 sweet potato. And I'm gonna give him green beans right now.
Starter kit.
Yeah, and this is a starter kit. Yeah, he's actually been eating stage 2 food, but I think this is stage 1. But there's a coupon inside. Why didn't I see it? Where? There's no coupon in there. Somebody stole it.
That's why the box is already open.
That's why the box is already open. Somebody stole the coupon.
What's the coupon for?
It says saving coupon inside, which means pay for more. You know when you buy and then you go back. That sucks. Somebody took the coupon out.
I noticed the box was open.
Yeah.
I just didn't say that.
But I mean, the food is not messed with. You can see, but that sucks. But do you want to give it to him now before he gets upset for his next meal? This is his food. And I'm going to add a little bit of oatmeal to it because it's super soupy. And he's been doing really good with his eating.
You hear her calling?
Yeah. He's trying to walk over here. He like, let me go.
I like when he suck his little lip. I don't know what he be doing, but he like a kiss.
It's his, it's because his teeth.
Over there. You ready? 'Cause I'm ready to eat, and they don't seem like none of us gonna eat in no time. So I'm gonna record it now.
Okay, so I made it just a little thick. Well then, you probably pressed this. It turned off. Well, now the camera was not recording, guys, so you didn't hear a lot of things we said. But we're going to be baking these tomorrow. We're going to be baking sugar cookies. So make sure you guys subscribe to our channel and watch all of our Vlogmas videos.
Yeah, subscribe. We on the road to 20K. So I need y'all help to, once again, tell y'all friends about us. So, you know, they go ahead and subscribe. and join the little baby squad.
Woo.
You know what I'm saying? Because we almost there, 20K
And
baby.
if you have your post notification shout outs, tell them, Ty.
If you got your post notifications on, make sure y'all go ahead and put that in the comments. So we go ahead in the next video, collect y'all names, and we give you a shout out in the next video. And I make sure I follow through with that because I know a lot of times we say that and I forget. But
I want to do the
go ahead and put y'all names down. If y'all got that post notifications on, if y'all been here since day one, because there's a lot of y'all. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we want to do some shout outs, give y'all some love, show y'all some support because y'all been supporting us all this time. We really do appreciate it. So,
okay, guys, so if you want us to do challenges and stuff, because we want Vlogmas to be lit. So if you want us to do challenges and stuff, comment down below what kind of challenges we should do or what we should include in our vlog videos. I'm super excited. Mellow.
Mellow.
I'm throwing the chicken breast away, okay? I'm gonna be cooking, so Taj is gonna have this. I don't know how. You're gonna put it in the pot? What do you want? I'm not giving you my steak. I can make you some meat with it. But you're not getting my steak. So you want steak? That's what you wanted? No, I'm asking you, so you wanted the steak. I really don't want to give you my steak.
So I just told you to make other things.
So you want fried chicken with salad? So I'm gonna make Taj a chicken salad, and I'm gonna have a steak salad. And we're gonna fry them differently though, but I'm gonna try to do them at the same time, guys, because we both are starving, obviously. So I have my frying pan out. Look, I just reused my oils. Okay, so it's really good when you reuse your oil. So I got this packaged chicken, boneless, skinless chicken thigh, because chicken thigh just got more juice than anything else in all reality. So I'm fry the chicken, and I'll make Taj this.
You gonna cut it up?
Yes, I have to cut it up, and then yes, you guys know what I'm talking about. So you're gonna have only one piece, right? Because you're not eating that much. You want more than that? You want a lot of chicken in it? Huh?
Yeah, eat food.
You wanna come say hi to the camera?
You like that, like, right? Say hi. It's 30.
That's what bitches do.
Say hi. What's up, being nosy? Say hi. Say what's up, little babies. What's
Say
up?
hi, Mello. So you guys already know I only use 3 seasonings. But today, since I'm just having a salad, I'll just use lime, adobo.
Am I having a salad?
I mean, since I'm just having the noodles because it already has flavor, not salad. So I'm just gonna put some lime on it because lime gives it a fresh taste. And then we're gonna go ahead and put some. And then some paprika, always. So I had already washed the chicken. So make sure you wash your chicken. Don't listen to nobody that tells you don't wash your chicken, okay? So I got some steak from the local Walmart market. Make sure you wash your meat. After it's washed.
Yo, we don't got nothing no more.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot to put the lime, but it's okay. I can still put it at the top. I love using lime in my meat. And then also paprika. And I actually just started using accent in my food. So that's lit. Make sure the seasoning is all up in there. to show you guys how I like my steak. So, let's see if I could turn it so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So, I like my steak a little crunchy. So, what I do is, ooh. So, what I do is add a little bit of oil to it. I should know that I'm a big fan of oil. I mean, people talk about it all the time. Can't cook without oil, you know what I'm saying? You grab your meat, beautiful, and place it right there. My pot is a little bit, my stove's a little bit lopsided because it's out, but I'm not about to touch that to fix it. So I just gotta keep moving the oil around. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it because I don't want it to stick to the pot ever. Because then the pot ends up with all the juices and stuff. Right now I'm doing Taj. Noodles right there. I'm gonna stir fry it. And then I'll show you guys the end result. Now we gotta add some broccoli. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my salad, okay? That's my steak. And then for my salad, I use olive oil and vinegar. And ranch. Thank God I bought more ranch. And then for my steak, sriracha. And my lunch is served.
Sriracha more than Tabasco?
Yeah, I like sriracha way more because Tabasco doesn't have any like seasoning flavors, if that makes sense. Like Tabasco is just straight hot sauce, but sriracha is almost like it gives you a little bit of, you know, seasoning in it. If you put it in something with no seasoning, it's perfect. So I just want to show you guys the end result. Oh, my camera's blurring. This is my lunch, and this is Tajun. I went ahead and put Taj on in the right bowl, and I'm gonna deliver it. Oh, somebody's getting changed over here. That's why you talking so much. I'm gonna put it right here. You're welcome.